Today we are doing the unboxing of the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 portable power station. Now, this portable power station, they claim, is good for camping, emergency, RV living, off-grid living, because you have the option for solar panels to recharge this back up. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a peek at the solar power, Jackery solar power. Now, I did some research before acquiring the before acquiring the Jackery solar generator, and this one in many different websites came up to be one of the favorites. So I went with it, and there's several that were desirable, but this was one of the ones that came up on multiple occasions on many different websites as the favorite. So let's go ahead and try and open this. There we go. All right. So it comes with the cord. I recall reading somewhere, and I'll see if I can see any documentation that shares it, but I think it takes about 4 to 6 hours to fully recharge before you head out to the mountains or wherever you're going, or if you need it in case of an emergency. Okay, we've got some protective boxing. Here we go, user manual for the Jackery Explorer 1000. This is one of the smaller ones. I guess that's why they call it the Explorer, so it's easy to transport. They do have bigger ones, which of course you're going to be able to power a lot more things for a lot longer. If you want to watch movies or something like that. All right, so here we go. And here are all of the different things you can put in. Got 3 outlets, USB, and this other kind of USB, a cigarette lighter in here. And let's just take a quick peek, if it shows me here, just how long it takes to charge, so it's fully charged up. All right, well, don't quote me on how long it takes to charge. I thought I read somewhere on the website a couple of hours, but I'm not finding anything in regards to the length of time it takes to fully charge. So, anyway, all right, let's dive into it. Let's get this plugged in. Here we go, powering it up. It's already 27% charged, it looks like. Yep, and it's gonna be charging here. So I'll just keep this plugged in, get it fully charged. If you're using heavy duty tools, it did recommend a larger size. This is the 1000. They do have multiple sizes, and so depending on what it is that you want to charge up, what you want to plug in, you may need to go bigger. But this was plenty to charge your cell phone, to charge your iPad, to project a movie, to basic blow up an air mattress, stuff like that, basic electronics. So this right here was the one that seemed to be the most fitting for just kind of more everyday use, not like big tool kind of use. So we're gonna let this sucker charge up. It looks like it's 28% charged, and then we'll be able to give it a go. Again, we have 3 outlets right here, some USB ports, so plenty of stuff, plenty of opportunities to charge different things all at the same time. All right, this is the box. I pulled it out of the cardboard box right here, and wanted to kind of show you how you can have that option to continue to charge it through solar panels in the event you use all of the juice, all of the electrical juice in it, and you have no opportunity to get back to your house or somewhere to plug it back in. You can recharge it back up with some solar panels. This one here, you can see they're using it for their cell phones. Let's look at another part. You can see right here, it's the Explorer 1000, as I mentioned. So here, they're blowing up a little raft, and this one, it looks like he's using it for some tools, and looks like he's got a waffle maker here. to make some breakfast up in the mountains. Let's see here. Outdoors, so emergency, professional work. So here's some tools that you could use. You could charge your camera as well as a drone. And yeah, there's some more information on this particular size. Again, this is just the 1000. And so if you're looking for something, the Explorer 1000, if you're looking for something with more juice, then you could definitely upgrade to a larger size. All right, something that I just noticed, I started kind of playing with some of the buttons, but it's got a light here, which is pretty cool. If it's dark, you're in the middle of the mountains, it gets a little bit brighter. You hit it again, it blinks, hit it again, turns off. So yeah, kind of cool to have a little bit of light in the event it is nighttime and you can't see and trying to figure out where these holes are, you can hit the light button. So I'm just skimming through the user manual, and here's something that's pretty important. When using it for the first time, please fully charge the device before use. Okay, here's where it gets important. If this product is stored for a long period of time, 3 months to 6 months, with the power depleted, its performance will deteriorate and may even become unchargeable. So the way I read this is, if you're gonna store this for 3 to 6 months, do not have the unit stored with all of its power depleted. So you're gonna wanna fully charge this bad boy before you store it. And yeah, I mean, maybe even every other month, pull it out and use it, I guess, so that just to play it safe, the performance won't be deteriorated, because yeah, that would not be very convenient if it becomes unchargeable again. All right, something I didn't know is that this Jackery generator has an app, and you can download the app on your phone. I have no idea what you will control on the app, but just so you know, if you are somebody who likes to download all the apps, it's got one.